A coalition of public organizations from the Mawsynram region has announced a march to the Meghalaya Secretariat on June 12th in protest against the state government's decision to entrust the electricity distribution operations under the Mawsynram Division of the Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited (MEPDCL) to SAI Computer. The decision was taken after the groups alleged that their earlier appeal to the government failed to yield any response. The organizations had previously served a 2-week ultimatum demanding the cancellation of SAI Computer's engagement in power distribution activities under the division. The ultimatum followed a meeting with Power Minister Meghalaya, who had invited representatives of the organizations for discussions on the issue. However, the groups claimed that their concerns were not adequately addressed despite their deliberations. Consequently, the coalition unanimously resolved to intensify its agitation and proceed with the planned march to the Secretariat. The protest is expected to be joined by strong leaders, traditional heads, electricity consumers and residents from Mawflong, Mawsynram and the C and RD blocks of Ranikor. The organizations reiterated their opposition to the outsourcing of power distribution operations and urged the government to reconsider its decision in the interest of consumers and local stakeholders.
Hadian banakalang jungi pawe kijing persya halor kijing IT jong sarkar lembaga MeECL SAI Computer Pvt Ltd. Bat nakalang kijungi ngelayo aro banya kendu ya Power Minister Conrad K kalong bahadu jong kanigapor ngimsum layo kajubak ban pentikna la ke sarkar kelale lane kapedang ni ya kata kecing dawa kecingi kum kiseng balang bat consumer bahapo jongka Mawsynram Division. Today halor jong kani kanong rim nakaliang jingi kum kekinhon bangimyo ya kata kajuba nakasorkar marmar mentakasngi ya penlong kecingelang bat nyelapen betiro ya katarik hakat artarik kumbang nyelakren hakilat pat hakubor hakini kenjat sngi pala kasorkar kam ai ke jubab nyimban se penhapan kiu haslong rengkat upai ba hakmat Secretariat di mentah kesngi ngelayo banyak kendolang baro laiseng ban ngelasim ru ikarai ba hakat artarik lasai sngi thoding nyihap ban lek hangte hakmat Secretariat ban penpau ya kata-kata kejing persya ke jingi kum kiseng balang rengkat ki consumer hapo ka Mawsynram subdivision kabak kenthop nado Mawflong block Mawsynram block bat Ranikor block bat dei na kata-kadaw ba naklang ke jingi kum kekinhon baka sarkar kam ai ya ke jubab hadu jong kadikapor nyimman se ben shim ya karai rang ba bangin hapen long kajing ki hakmat ke Secretariat bat kene kapor kalong kapor kabangi penayar hakmat jong ki pai ba jong ka dong ka than baro hi kawai lani kalong kajing penayar ya ki consumer hapo jong ka Mawsynram subdivision ka bakan thop na do ka Mawflong block Mawsynram block bat ka Ranikor block ba ko ki pai ba pin sngo ba benyami renti hakate kitarik nadu kirang ba snong ki longkmi ki samla ki sang balang ban penpau ya kata kadak kajing persya kajongi ya kani ka company ka ba nakaliang jong sarkar kala IT hadu jong kani kapor.
In a significant development amid mounting opposition to the outsourcing of power distribution services in Mawsynram, leaders of the National People's Party NPP from 3 blocks have claimed that Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma has assured them that SAI Computer Pvt Ltd will no longer continue its power distribution operations under the Mawsynram Division of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited (MeECL). The assurance comes against the backdrop of a proposed march to the Meghalaya Secretariat on June 12th by several organizations from Mawsynram subdivision who have accused the state government of failing to act on their demand to remove SAI Computer Pvt Ltd from the region's power distribution network. Speaking to reporters after a high-level meeting held at the office chamber of Government Advisor Himalaya M. Shangpliang at the Additional Secretariat, Shangpliang and Mawsynram MDC Alvin Sawkami said the Chief Minister during a meeting on June 8th had assured party leaders that the engagement of SAI Computer in electricity distribution under the Mawsynram Division would be brought to an end. The meeting was attended by NPP leader Kitbor Nongrem and Nelbi Sangma from Ranikot block along with auspicious Lingdo from Mauflang block. According to the leaders, the Chief Minister's assurance is expected to help diffuse public resentment over the issue and address concerns raised by consumers, traditional institutions and local stakeholders regarding the privatization of power distribution services in the region. The announcement comes just days before the planned agitation by pressure groups, traditional heads and residents from Mauflang, Mawsynram and Ranikot who have vowed to intensify their protest unless their demands are met.
Chief Minister ban bu ekajing dawa ban weng no chisundan ya SAI Computer Pvt Ltd kabade pe boarding itan jungi but nilai ban bu dien ba Chief Minister biang nin janmiet hadin bangilai kendo ya hayeng yu akasan tarik akaba uong Chief Minister ba undang pe benia ya kani kakam hakano kendur ba pediang ya kajing dawa jungi anda menin janmit kakun hun jongi kalai kenduk biang yu Chief Minister but la budin batu but Chief Minister u la munjur ban terminate no ya ka kontrak jong ka SAI nginget ba kakam ban terminate kadang ya chai but hapo ki kendiap sngi lese kan sapoi ka order ba ka SAI ka diban mi no nang the na ka thain jungi ta ka long ka jipun tip em ta ju hi baro